Hey guys, what's up? It's Isabel and I'm back. I know in my last video or like in the description I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be posting every week. And honestly, that was like what was gonna happen. You know, I was gonna post videos every week, but the last couple months of school, it's been really stressful. And now it's summer, so I'll be making videos a lot more. So as you can tell in the title, I am doing an eyebrow and eyelash tutorial because many people have been coming up to me asking like, oh yeah, like in the last video you started off with your eyebrows, but you never showed like how you did them, and I never showed how I like put on mascara. So that's basically what this video is going to be about today. In my video that I uploaded, I did my eyebrows a lot differently than how I do them now. So in my last video, I've only had one video, but in that video, I was using the Dip Brow pomade, and it was in the shade like dark brown or medium brown or whatever. And honestly, I've been doing my eyebrows a lot differently. Right now, I use the Sephora Pro eyeshadow palette, and this palette is literally the best palette. It just has a lot of warm colors, and like whenever I do my makeup, I always use like warm colors like oranges, browns, all those warm tones. But for my eyebrows, the color that I use in this palette is not this brown, because I've tried it before, but it showed up kind of orangey on my eyebrows. I actually use this black, and when I put it on my eyebrows, it doesn't show up black, otherwise I wouldn't obviously use it. It kind of shows up as like a dark brown, which I kind of like. For my brush, I'm using the same brush as I used last time. It's this brush. You can order them on Amazon, and they're super good. Okay, so I'm going to try to move you guys in a bit closer so you can see how I do my brows. But I don't want it to be too blurry, so I'm trying to like, I don't know. Okay, so this is a little bit blurry. It's not exactly focused, but we're just going to have to deal with it. So the first thing I do is brush out my brows just like this, and then I'm going to start to go in with the black eyeshadow. And what I do is first I kind of like to start filling it in from the middle of my brows, and then I like to bring it back out to the back and then the front.
It's not the same as when I was punched in the old days. There wasn't enough. The card games and ease with the bitter soul blood. I was in, but I won out. My mother's love is choking me. I'm sick of words that hang above my head. What about the kid? It's time the kid got free.
Okay, so once I'm done filling in my eyebrows with the black eyeshadow, I normally don't go in with concealer and I just leave them like this, but today they're a little bit messy, so I'm going to go in with my concealer and carve them out. For my concealer, I'm using the Dior concealer. It's actually my new concealer I just got. So it's this one, and it's in the shade 020. I don't know if that's focused, but yeah. Then once I'm done putting the concealer around my eyebrows, I just go in with this brush and blend it out. Alright, so I went into my other eyebrow, and now that the concealer's on, I'm going to go in and take my Airspun powder. I just have a little bit in this little cap, and then I'm taking my brush and I'm just patting down the concealer under and over so it's set and locked in place. Okay, so now moving on to my favorite part, lashes. I used to use the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which is this one, and this mascara is really good. Just the reason why I have stopped using it is because I like it when my lashes are more like clumpy together. Not like actually clumpy, but this is really good if you want your eyelashes like all separate and like kind of like more natural looking and more long. But now I've switched over to the Bobbi Brown Opening Eye Mascara. And this mascara gives you a lot of curliness in your lashes. So it makes your lashes really stand up and have a lot of volume. But when I use this mascara, I don't like to use a huge spoolie. As you can see, this one's like really thick. And I don't like using the thick ones because it makes it harder to put on your mascara and then you get it on your eyelid a lot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the spoolie from the Urban Decay mascara because it's just smaller. As you can tell, it's smaller. Not by a lot, but it is smaller, and I like the smaller brushes. So I use this brush as I put on my mascara. It depends. For my eyelashes, this brush just makes it easier for me to put on mascara, and the results come out better than when I use the other one. If you don't have the Urban Decay brush like this one, you can honestly just get a random spoolie, and it works the exact same when you use it with this mascara. So when I used to put on mascara a long time ago, I would literally just go like just like that. But that's really not how you want to put on mascara. What you want to do is you really want to get the product on the spoolie. And then what you want to do is as you're putting on your mascara, you can either like do zigzags like that, which actually help a lot because it gets, you know, every single part of the eyelash, like it gets a lot of product on every single part of the eyelash. So when I put on mascara, what I like to do is I don't just like to go like that because you're really not getting the product on right. What I like to do is slowly blink as I move the spoolie upward. So I just go like that. You can look up or you can look straight, but I open my eye and I slowly blink as I do zigzags up like that. Slowly blink. And then after the first coat, I just like to go back in and get more product on the spoolie. So as you can see, every time I put on mascara, I don't go like that. I literally just blink. Another tip that I found that's really helpful is if you want your eyelashes longer, you want to do your bottom mascara first. I didn't do that, but I just wanted to mention it. I'm going to do it right now. Basically, when you do your bottom lashes, so this is hard to explain. So when you're doing your top lashes and then you go straight down to your bottom lashes, when you're doing your bottom lashes, you're looking down, which causes your top lashes to kind of like fade down. So that when you look up, they're kind of dented because you're looking down by putting on your bottom mascara. If that makes any sense, then yeah. What I like to do is do my bottom lashes first. I like to do a couple coats on my top lashes, and then I like to put the mascara on my bottom lashes and then go back up to the top lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes right now. Then once I'm done applying the mascara, I just like to take a spoolie, not spoolie, oh my god, I've been saying that way too much. I like to go in with a Q-tip and just drag it across my eyelid and pick up any mascara that's on there. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on the other eye. Alright, that was the finished eyebrow and eyelash tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it. Please comment down below what video I should upload next. I promise I will be uploading a lot because I'm actually traveling to Hawaii and a lot of places as I move forward this summer. So I wanted to do like a lot of vlogs and make a lot of videos. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!